In this module, we are going to learn about a very important function called index. Now, this index, along with match function, actually does a lookup also. So before we get into that part where we will use the combination of index and match, let us look at these two functions individually. So first of all, in this module, we will be talking about the index function. Now, the index function, it takes three parameters as you can see in the screen. First is the array. The array means a range of cell. It can be a single, it can be a cell like this, a range like this, or it can be a range like this, which comprises of more than two columns. So it can be a single column range, or it can be a multiple column range. So we'll look at both the criteria, where we will be referring to a single column range, and we will also be using the two column range. In both the cases, how this index works, we'll be able to show you and give you the demo here. So array represents that particular range. Row num. Now suppose if I select this column or this one as the range, and if I say I want to go to row num 1 of this range, so it will show me soap. If I say row num 2, it will show me scrubber. If I say row num 3, it will show me paste. Similarly, if I select this range and I say I want to go to row number 3, it will show me 18.76. So let us see. For example, here, if I say is equal to index and I specify the array. So this is my array. Okay. And then I specify the row number, which I'll pick up from here. So right now I haven't given any row number. So let's see what happens. It says values, it throws an error. So if I give a row number 1, what will display? It will display soap. Similarly, if I give row number 2, what will display? It will display scrubber. Similarly, if I say 4, 5, it will display towel. And if I say 6, it will give me an error saying that I couldn't find the record at that row. So this way I could select a range of cell and then provide the row number and get to that value. Suppose I want to do with this range as well, right? So what I'll do here, so I'll put, just delete this. So in this case, what I'll say is equal to index array. Again, I'll select this one now. Okay. And then I'll say the row number, which I'll pick up from here. And then I will close it. So what will show me? So it'll show me 6 is wrong because 6 is not there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. So I'll change this to 5. And it shows me 50.7. Now I should 1, it shows me 12.5. If I say 3, it will show me 18.76. So this way I can use index function with the single column array and the row number to get to my data. So this you have understood. Now let us take if this is the range. If this is the range, then what and how we'll be doing. If this is the range, then we might be, we have to give both the row number and the column number because there are two columns and there are around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So if I say first column, first row, then it should go here. If I say second column, first row, then it should go here because first thing is row number. So I have to give the row number. So I'll say row number 1, column number 2, this is where I'll go. If I say row number 3, column number 1, then this. If I say row number 4, column number 1, then here. Row number 4, column number 2, then here. So this way I can use the array where which has more than one column in order to get the product and rate whatever I want. Okay, so let's do and see this. So I'll select this cell and put in the formula. So I will put the formula. I'll say is equal to index and then reference now. So array. So this is the array. Okay. Now this is the row number. So what is the row number? The row number is, I'll get it from here. And what is the column number? The column number, I'll get it from here. And I'll close this and say enter. So it's give me value because I haven't given the row number. So if I give row number 1, column number 1 and say enter, soap. So row number 1, column number 1. Now if I say row number 2 and column number 1, where I'll go? Row number 2, column number 1, scrubber. If I say row number 2, column number 2, where will I go? Row number 2, column number 2. That means 7. Okay. So this way I can use index and provide the row number and the row number, column number if I have more than one column as my array. If I have a single column as my array, then I can use only the row number. So I hope you got this idea as to how index work. Next video, we will see how match works.